So this is how you can take better photos on an iPhone. You're gonna want to open up the settings app and now simply scroll down to about the middle and then look for camera. Open that, and basically here are the settings for your camera. As you can see, you can tap on the video settings, slow-mo settings, cinematic settings, and all kinds of settings that basically change your camera's quality. So, if you want to change the video quality, you can go on ahead and open that up and put it at the highest quality, 4K at 60 FPS. However, you should take note that a minute can change the whole thing. For example, if you take a minute at 720p, it only takes 40 MB, but if you take a minute at the highest, which is 4K at 60 FPS, it takes 400 MB. So it takes a different type of storage per quality setting. So make sure you just set it to the right one so that your phone doesn't lose on storage. You can also do the same for slow-mo and cinematic, but if you want to take better photos, make sure you have good lighting or basically turn up exposure. Maybe you could take pictures behind a cool background. And also, you're going to want to turn on grid so you know where the 9 grids are. And you could also turn on level to make sure that your phone is at a level tilt. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is all you can do for now. If you want to take better photos, you could also use filters from other apps, for example, TikTok or Snapchat. But yeah, that is it for the settings of your camera. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.